I can tell you, this dude can Google like nobody's business, man. He nailed it on the Kohler faucet repair we just left.
Google machine. Fool.
He's the Google machine. He's like the Google guru. Be all right. We just got to teach him how to use the tools, and he's got Google, and he's going to make a good service plumber here. Where are we going to now? Laundry stoppage?
Yeah. Shower. All right, no, sink.
Sink. Laundry sink.
Laundry sink.
Over and out. Oh, I see it dribbling. Nothing. What? Oh, diggity.
Seems like you need a bigger one of those.
I don't know. Do they sell a bigger one?
I don't know.
If they did, I'd pick one up, dude. This is probably one of the best things you can have as a plumber, dude. I got this for Father's Day 1 year ago, and I use it almost every day.
Yeah.
I think so. I'm going to run it out 25 feet, and I think we'll be all right. Let's see. About 25, I'm coming back. See, that's a good sign that we went down because the cable is dirty. If we went up the vent, it wouldn't be as dirty as that. Hopefully we went out far enough. Nothing. You guys think I'm done testing? No. We're plumbers here. We test our work. Take a stopper, fill it up. Oh, that is hot. Oh my God. So the only real way to test a drain, plug it, fill it, you'll get the check to your joints below and make sure this thing is flowing before you leave. Ready? All right, we're gonna send it down. See our little tornado?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
She drained.